Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to fix screenshots not showing on iPhone iOS 18. So if you take a screenshot on your iPhone, maybe your iPhone screen or any web page, and you discover that the screenshot is not coming up on your iPhone Photos app, then this video is going to walk you through how to fix this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to fix screenshots not showing in iPhone iOS 18, you just need to just go ahead and open the Photos app like this. Once open it, just scroll up a bit, click on this up and down arrow, then click on filter. Now choose a screenshots, go ahead and click on that. Once you select a screenshot, this is going to filter your picture with only your screenshot. And if even after this you are not seeing the screenshot, just need to scroll down as well. Just keep scrolling until you get to media type and click on it. Under media type, you see your screenshot here like this, then click on it. Now you have access to all your screenshots on your iPhone. However, if even after all this, the screenshot is not coming up under media type, all you just need to do now is scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on customize and reorder. Once you tap that, tap reset here to reset your iPhone customize and then the reorder. Now you can now go back again to your media type. Then under media type, you see the screenshot. Is that? So that is basically how to fix screenshots not showing in iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.